Do you need to replace the Palmrest Touchpad assembly on your Precision 3561? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and/or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove it. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Next, unscrew the LCD bracket and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the remaining LCD cables. Now unscrew and remove the inner frame. Then disconnect the CMOS battery. And then disconnect and remove the speakers. After that, you'll unscrew the LCD hinges, then open up the Palmrest to separate it from the display. Now unscrew the cooling fan. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove the motherboard. Then unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the keyboard connectors. Next, peel away the plastic tape to reveal the keyboard assembly screws. Now unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest assembly. The reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.